Look up into the night sky and you'll see the stars twinkling. At first glance, all the stars look white, but when you look closely, you'll see the actual colors of these massive balls of fire. Some look white, some look bluish, some reddish. So, what is the actual color of these stars? Let's find out.
So, as we learned more about black body radiation
And applied it to the stars, it helped us to understand more about stars and why they're of different colors. So the color of the star mainly depends on the surface temperature of the star. For example, let's take this ball. So let's start heating this ball up. First, the ball will glow in the infrared part of the spectrum. After a while, when the surface temperature of the ball reaches about 2500 Kelvin, it will start to glow in the red part of the spectrum. This is the surface temperature of the red stars. It is between the range of 2500 Kelvin to 3700 Kelvin. We also see this red color in the red giant stars. So these are the stars that are at the end of their life. They have run out of their fuel, that's hydrogen, and now they have increased in size. This is the fate of our own sun. They become huge and then blast off the outer layer into space. But before blasting out the outer layers into space, they become so huge, the energy and the temperature spreads out over a vast area. Hence, they get cooler and hence they emit in the red part of the spectrum. If we keep heating this ball up, its surface temperature will keep on increasing and even its color will keep on changing. For example, for orange, the temperature range is 3700 Kelvin to 5200 Kelvin. For yellow, it's 5200 Kelvin to 6000 Kelvin. Yellow-white, it's 6000 to 7500 Kelvin. Our own sun's temperature is about 6000 Kelvin. It looks yellow to us from here on Earth, but it's not yellow. If we looked out of the space station and saw the sun directly from space, it will look very white. But I recommend you not to do that. This white color is due to its surface temperature being 6000 Kelvin. And for the white stars, it's 7500 Kelvin to 10,000 Kelvin. Now, there are stars that have a surface temperature over 10,000 Kelvin. They are many times the mass of our sun. They emit in the blue part of the spectrum. And there are even bigger stars. They are known as hypergiant stars, and their surface temperature is over 30,000 Kelvin. To sum things up, the red stars are the cooler ones, the blue ones are the hotter ones, the yellow and the white ones are the mid-range ones. Our own sun is an average star, known as the main sequence star. So I'll put up a chart which shows all the stars with their surface temperature. Thanks for watching. So this is all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends if it was worth it. And if you want to watch my previous videos, you can click here. If you want to subscribe to my channel, click this button right here. And as always, stay curious, stay awesome.